Welcome. My name is Dr. Emma Shapiro, and in today's video, we are going to be going over how to do some simple arm strengthening when you're laying down either in bed or if you're at home and you don't want to use your bed on something soft like a yoga mat on the floor. These exercises are simple and easy to use. You can use just your arms to strengthen yourself. You can grab a simple can of soup, which is roughly 1 pound, to add some weights to your exercises. Or if you have dumbbells, you can also incorporate them. Just make sure that they are the right weight and that you are not experiencing any pain when you're using the dumbbells to strengthen your arms. Okay, let's get started with these exercises. So what you're first going to do is we're going to do arm raises. So you're going to bring your arms out to your side, punching up. So remember, you can hold weights. You can hold those cans of soup. You can have bands if you own bands, or just your own arms. You know, a lot of bodyweight exercises can really actually be fatiguing if we do the right technique and if we either hold for a certain length of time or we do a certain number of repetitions. So after you do a certain number of repetitions, you could do 10 or 30 repetitions. Now the next one we're going to do, we're going to bring our arms out to the side. Same thing, 10 repetitions, or if that's too easy, you can go 15. Basically, we want to focus on not causing any pain, but we're causing some muscle fatigue. We're just starting to feel those muscles burn a little bit. Now, after we finish that, we're going to do our bicep curls. So we're going to bring our elbows down, resting on the bed or on the yoga mat, and then just simply bringing our fists to our shoulders. And then the last one we can do, depending upon your strength, is even triceps. Just make sure not to bonk your head. And then you're just going to go up with your weights, with your can of soups, or just body weight. This is actually really an excellent exercise because it can sometimes be hard to do this right form when you're sitting up or standing up because of maybe flexibility issues. And so it's a lot easier to get a triceps workout or get this muscle right here if you're actually laying down in bed. And there we go. A really simple, easy, basic, and safe exercise routine to strengthen your arms, all from the laying down position. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much.